Hey, welcome. Good morning. My name is Alok. I'm an online English spoken teacher, and today I was just scrolling down. I was just diving into a LinkedIn job, and again I found some job description. Generally, I teach language how to speak, but grammar part I also take care of for competition and these all things. So I thought, why shouldn't I share it with other people? What kinds of mistake we generally keep making or we make, and at that time we don't realize what mistake we made. But later on, when somebody learn, when somebody read it, the impression goes to your image or the impression goes to your company. So this is the company, I'm not mentioning company name, but they have mentioned it, and I wanted to share it with all people. See, we all are human, we can make mistake. It is not like I'm trying to throw a mud on somebody image, and I'm not trying to discriminate, I'm not trying to allege somebody, I'm not trying to complain, but just I'm trying to let you know what kinds of mistake we make and how we can correct it. It will help for all people, whether you are professional or whether you are a student, where you are English learner. This will help for all people, because in our life journey we always write something. We always try to write, always send some communication. So at least learning this technique, learning these rules will definitely root it out, right? Eradicate your weakness, and finally you can get rid of your weak English language. So today, without making delay, I'm just trying to read it and try to communicate what mistake here has been made, and that could have been corrected, only putting a small intention. So just go through it. Job description. Okay. I would also like to share the parts of a speech of each word so that it would be clarity. It would go in clear mode so that each of us or each of you can understand it. Job description. So here description is noun and job is adjective. Why? Because only adjective, also adverb, but adjective play a role to say something about noun. So here it is saying job description. What description? Job description. So job is here adjective, description is noun, right? Now comes to here, we are looking for an facilities executive who can work with our company to fulfill the organizational goal and growth, right? So we we is again uh, IV, first person, that is pronoun first person plural number, right? Pronoun, and then verb be, right? What does it mean by verb be? Verb be is, am, are, was, were. It is called verb be. So verb be is here looking. Verb plus ing, it means it is continuous. How continuous? Because we are just looking verb be and then ing. So whenever there is verb be and then ing, it is continuous tense. So we are looking, it is main verb. Verb 4, you can say. For, again, for is preposition. And facilities executive. Here I want to make you aware what mistake occurred, what mistake that person has written. So for an facilities executive, no, here would be a facilities, because that sound start with F. So we have learned whenever we put adjective a and n we put for the sound a, e, I, means vowel sound comes we put n, consonant sound comes we put a. Here it is consonant, so here that guy whoever has written it as a job description, he has mentioned and facilities executive. So this is first wrong, right? It should be a facilities executive, right? First wrong. Okay, an is adjective, uh indefinite adjective, here it should be a. Okay, facilities executive, so facilities here would be adjective. Why? Guys, see, we have learned in grammar there are certain executive that we consider, but no, Only bad, good, red, blue, these all are not executive. Apart from that, sentence says which is executive and sorry, which is adjective and which is not. So here facility is executive, so facility is adjective here. Why? Because it is saying something about adjective, executive, right? Executive is noun, and you know facility always comes before the noun. Who? Okay, so here that guys didn't mention a space. That is common mistake, we can understand. But at least when you are putting it for job description, you are showing image of your company. So here a space is missing, right? That is simple thing. Noun who, right? So who is relative pronoun, right? It is called relative pronoun. Relative pronoun who comes for a person, living thing. So it is correct, I'm not denying. It is a relative pronoun who can work, who can. So can is modal verb. Modal verb always comes with verb first. It is okay, no doubt at all. Modal verb first. Can work with. Again with is here preposition. With our company. Here again our is adjective. Which adjective? It is possessive adjective, because when we show something, right, that is mine, when we claim ownership, so that becomes possessive adjective. So here it is possessive adjective. Company is noun. Again always adjective comes before noun, and that qualify noun and pronoun. So R is here adjective. See, I am saying adjective. Adjective, generally we know adjective, D is silent, so we never say adjective, it is adjective. Okay, so R company, so here it is adjective. Company is noun. Okay, to fulfill the organizational goal. Okay, to fulfill, so to fulfill, up to here it is infinitive. When we put to and then verb comes, so verb first, always verb first when we make that infinitive. So after to verb first, it is infinitive. Okay, to fulfill the, again definite article, the organizational goal. Again organizational is here adjective, that is qualifying the goal. Goal is noun. Okay, so organizational goal and growth. And is here conjunction. Whenever we put n, be alert, both sides should be the same behavior word, same thing. So here it is okay, goal noun, growth noun. So goal and growth agree. Next, responsibilities. I have written it as it is, like responsibilities. Okay, then again the roles and responsibilities. What does it mean? One times we have written responsibilities, and again we are writing without giving any full stop and these all things. So responsibility, then the roles and responsibility. Okay, there is a definite article. Roles is again noun, and conjunction responsibilities noun, plural noun. Okay, of is again preposition, and facilities executive. Same mistake, and facility executive, and facility executive. Why? One more rule. Here it would be like a, n is wrong, so here we have to write a. And here whenever in a sentence first time when we write adjective, that is indefinite, but same thing is repeated second time or more than 2 times, then we have to write definite article. So here it is indefinite, a should come here, a facility executive, not n. Again same thing has come here, and of and facilities executive. So again here n will not come, right? Here the will come. N will not come in any way, even you are making mistake. Here a should come in case you are making mistake, but here it should be the. right? Here th is the definite article will come because second time definite article. The facilities executive have been listed below. Have been, you are talking about one facility executive, and here you are saying have been, so have comes for plural, not singular. So these kinds of mistake we keep making, and we never realize what mistake we have made. Guys, this will definitely help you out. I kept it, I'm just trying to updating it so that at least you can learn it, and you can know what mistake we make. And in case you want to approach me, you may approach to me, you may ask me any question by writing, by communication, so that I can definitely help you out. I will go in details, each word, each sentence, each behavior, each thing, right? So thanks. I think it will definitely help you. If it is helping you, please comment something so that I will be putting these all things. I have put one video earlier related to this. Today it is second video related to grammar part, that we always make mistake. So I believe it will definitely help you out. And guys, if you feel like it is helping you, just give a thumb, and give some impressions, some something that might looks like you are interacting with that. Thanks. Bye.